Please welcome Akash Palkhiwala, COO and CFO, Qualcomm.
His Excellency and esteemed guests, thank you for having me here. I'm Akash Palkhiwala. I'm CFO and COO of Qualcomm, and just very excited to be here, be a part of this event. Today, I'm going to talk about two separate topics. First, I'll introduce Qualcomm and everything we're doing on AI and how we're partnering as a part of that, working with the kingdom on transforming AI in the region and beyond. So a little bit about Qualcomm. We started off as a wireless technology company. We invented 3G, and then we led 4G, led 5G. But as the smartphone changed, we went from being a wireless technology company to a connected computing company. We have the best wireless technology, the best computing technology, and the leading AI technology, and we bring it together in all edge devices. So you think about phones, PCs, cars, robotics devices, industrial devices, augmented virtual reality devices. All these devices have our chips in them, and we bring the technology we have into each one of them. If you think about all of you and the phones in your pocket, most of those phones are powered by Qualcomm. So we're very happy to participate in this room through our technology. Let's talk about AI. We've been using AI for a very long period of time. 10 years ago, we were using AI in our cameras. 5 years ago, we were using AI to improve the video you would see on your phones. 2 years ago, we were using AI within 5G wireless technology. But last 2 years, something changed. Generative AI came in, and then suddenly AI could think like a person, understand like a person. They could understand the context of a conversation. And that changed everything. And this represents a unique opportunity for us, for all of us. It's a once-in-a-generation transformation of the technology industry, and we're very happy to lead it with the kingdom. So when people talk about AI, it's mostly a conversation about cloud AI. And we all know everything that has happened in the cloud. Incredible. There is training, there is inference, lots of use of cloud AI. Qualcomm's vision is that the next generation of AI is going to be on device. It's not going to be just on the cloud. Why on device? Tremendous advantages of doing something on device. It's your personal information. If you're running an AI use case on your personal data, you want it to be private, you want it to be secure, you want it to be very quick. And the only way to do that is to run the model on the device. Also, it turns out that it's free. You already have your device. There is computing capacity sitting on the device. Why go to the cloud and use very expensive cloud resources? You can run it on the device for free. And there is tremendous advantage to this. So Qualcomm has a very clear vision that as we look forward, most of AI inference use cases will start running on the device. Something else changed over the last month. We came in with the next cycle of innovation within AI. You talk about DeepSeek, but it's not just that. It's really all the models using new technologies like reasoning, like specific agents for the type of AI you're trying to do. And what that does is it completely changes how on-device AI is going to work. The models become stronger, smaller, they come in faster, they become more accurate. And that allows you to run these use cases on the device a lot more efficiently than you could do before. So we're very excited that as things change in AI, it's changing in favor of more use cases running on device rather than in the cloud. This is a new concept. We think of AI as the next UI. At some point, 20 years ago, UI was about writing a line of code. Then we had the mouse and the graphical user interface come in. After that, we had the touch interface. Now AI is going to be just a conversation. You're going to use AI to be the new UI, and I'll give you a couple examples. First is you're in a car, and you're driving on a bridge, and you want to ask the car, I don't know the name of the bridge. What bridge is this? And car is going to respond back to you and say it's the Golden Gate Bridge. Another example is something that Samsung talked about in their GS25, Galaxy 25 phone announcement. This is a way in which you can ask a very complex question to a phone. You can say, can you look at my calendar and see if I'm available at 5 p.m. tomorrow? And if I'm free, please send an email to Wasim asking if he wants to meet for coffee. And please put a reminder on my calendar. And the AI will be able to understand the context of the entire comment and then do the action on it. So our view is AI becomes the next UI going forward. And Qualcomm is building everything that's needed to make this AI happen. This is not just about the hardware that we are putting in our chip. We have the best CPU in the industry. We have an incredibly powerful GPU. And we have a very low power NPU which runs AI use cases but doesn't use much power in a battery powered device. Super important that you have low power AI when you're running it in a phone or a PC. So we have all those technologies, but we also have the software stack. We also have orchestration. We also have tools. And all these combined allows you to use industry standards like PyTorch, Onyx, TensorFlow to develop AI applications that are super important. So we're very proud of this platform that we've built. And what we're doing with this platform is we're bringing it to developers through our AI hub. What is the AI hub? I'll give you a simple example. If you're a developer, you can take your application, you can come to our AI hub, take a model, integrate into your application, and then test it on a device in a cloud, all within 5 minutes with 5 lines of code. We make it very easy to develop AI applications using the AI hub. Now we're taking all these things and saying, how do we take this technology and work with the kingdom and bring this technology to the region? And over the next few slides, I'll talk about all the initiatives we have in place. At the Global AI Summit in Riyadh a few months ago, we started our interaction with Aramco for the first time. And we said we're going to take our Gen AI use cases and bring it to industrial IoT at the edge. Today, we're very happy to announce that we now have an industrial AI 5G phone in the 450 megahertz spectrum that allows deployment of industrial applications, working very closely with Aramco on this. This will give the users another way to deploy advanced industrial applications at the edge. Examples of the phone are on display at the Aramco stand. The next initiative we are starting is Design in Saudi with AI. This is a program that's a combination of Qualcomm, Aramco, and RDIA. And what we're doing is we're going to make it very easy for application developers to develop applications using AI, IoT, and wireless technology. Qualcomm has done this in several other geographies. Several hundred companies have benefited from it. We're now bringing it to the kingdom, and we're going to help companies develop these technologies and applications. We talked about this earlier today. It's the first AI PC using ALLaM, And we are working very closely with the kingdom to make this a reality. The magic of the chip that we are using in this device is it is the fastest processor ever made for PCs. It is the longest battery life you will ever see in a PC. And it is the most advanced Gen AI device ever made. So we're going to bring the benefit of this device to the ALLaM PC. And then the AI hub that I talked about earlier, we're going to bring that to the ALLaM ecosystem as well. So anyone can develop an application very quickly, very easily with the AI hub for an ALLaM PC. The developers can do it very, very easily, and we're going to make this available to developers right away. Finally, we are also enabling ALLaM on Qualcomm Cloud AI. So not just on the device side, but also on the cloud side. Qualcomm Cloud AI solution has exceptional performance at very low power consumption and low operational cost. So it's designed to run these workloads. Developers can access this through ALLaM Playground that we announced earlier today, and you can try it tomorrow at our Developer Day. Hybrid AI is critical. AI use is not just about the device, it is not about the cloud. What you really need is an agent that sits on the device and makes a decision on whether to run the use case on the device or on the cloud. And we are introducing hybrid AI as a concept that goes across our device and cloud offering with the orchestration layer that works with the ALLaM LLM. Extremely powerful concept that is going to improve the experience and reduce cost, both at the same time. Together with the kingdom, we are ushering a new era of AI where performance, privacy, sustainability all go together. On-device and hybrid AI are becoming a reality, and we're going to bring it to the kingdom. And there is a lot more exciting innovation coming. We're just at the beginning. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving me the stage, and thank you for letting me tell you the Qualcomm story. We're excited and we are proud to be a part of the kingdom and the progress that is happening here. As everyone said, we're going to walk the talk. Thank you.
Our thanks to Akash Palkhiwala.